Today we will see some examples on the trigonometric functions of multiple angles. Okay, so prove that cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x minus cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x is equal to 2 tan 2x. So this is also a very simple problem. So just take the addition. Okay, so we'll take LHS, we'll take the addition and take LHS. So what we have to do? We have to take the cross multiplication. Okay, so this is what cos x plus sin x bracket square minus cos x minus sin x bracket square upon the product of the denominator, right? So they are the conjugate of with each other. So the square of the first one minus the square of the second one. So this is what cos square x minus sin square x. Okay. Now note that this is not 1 because minus sign is there, right? So this is the formula for cos twice x, right? So here what we want to show that this is what 2 sin 2x. So then it will be what 2 sin 2x upon cos 2x will be 2 tan 2x, right? So that means our aim is to prove that your numerator is 2 sin twice x, right? Okay, so we'll expand this. See, if you expand this, what we get? So what is the middle term? So middle term, see, cos square get cancelled, sin square get cancelled. Only the middle terms are there, right? So that means what here what? Okay, so we'll expand this cos square x plus 2 cos x sin x plus sin square x minus, we'll write in bracket cos square x minus 2 cos x sin x plus sin square x plus sin square upon, we'll write this simply as a cos twice x. No problem for this one, right? We'll write this cos twice x. Now if you expand this, so now we have expanded this. Now see that the all positive terms get cancelled, right? So that means what here 2 sin x cos x and that 2 sin x cos x will be 4. So we will write this is what 2 sin x cos x. Instead of writing 4, we will write this as 2 into 2 sin x cos x. So this is what cos twice x. So this is 2 sin twice x upon cos twice x. So this will be tan twice x, right? So we are through. So this is very simple problem. Okay, we'll take the next problem. Show that 2 plus root of 2 plus 2 plus cos 8x is equal to 2 cos x. So there are 3 roots and now 8 is there. Now see that. So we know that 2 cube is 8 and there are 8. So we'll prove this one. Okay, so solution. So we'll take LHS. 2 plus, I think it will be 2 cos. Problem something is garbad. So here there should be 2 now. There is a printing mistake in book. Here there should be 2 now. Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll take 2 common now here. So what happened there? So root of, you will keep this 2 all root as it is now. So 2 plus, we'll take 2 common, we'll get what? 1 plus cos 8x, right? Now you have the formula for 1 plus, right? 1 plus cos. If 1 plus cos is there, what we are writing? 1 plus cos theta, suppose. So what we are writing? 2 cos square. 2 cos square. Whatever the angle, we'll take the half of that one. 2 cos square theta by 2, right? This is your formula. We are applying this formula here now. This is 1 plus cot x. So this is 1 plus cos x. This is what? Root of 2 plus this is 2 into. So this is what? 2 into 2. This is what? 2 cos square 4x now. Right? 2 cos square 4x. Now we take the root of this one now. So it will be what? 2 cos 4x now. Your root will be what? 2 cos 4x. So this is 2 plus 2 cos 4x. Right? See, 8x become 4x now. And one root get cancelled. Right? So now what? Again we'll take 2 common here. We'll take 2 common. So 2 common. 1 plus cos 4x. Right? Now again use the same formula. So what we will write? This is what? We will directly write the formula. This is what? Root of 4 cos square twice x now. Right? So it will be what then? This will be root of 2 plus 2 cos twice x now. Right? You have to take the half of this one. Right? So 2 cos, so you see, you have the formula. No need to write again 2 into 2. So directly you can write this what? 4 cos square, because 2 is already there. So now again we will take 2 common. Again we will take common. 1 plus cos twice x. So 1 plus cos twice x is what? 2 cos square. And 2 is already there. So 2 into 2 will be 4 now. And take the half of the angle. So this is what? X. Cos square 4x. So cos square x now. And take the root of that one. This will be your 2 cos x. Right? And it will be your RHS. It will be your RHS. That means your problem is over. Right? Only this formula. Right? This formula helps you to solve this formula. To solve this problem. Okay? So if you know the formula, easily you can kill the problem in mathematics, in the trigonometric functions or anything. Okay. Now next, prove that 16 sin theta cos theta cos 2 theta cos 2 theta cos 4 theta cos 8 theta is equal to sin 16 theta. Sin 16 theta. Again, this problem is very simple, right? It is very, look like this is what? If you see this problem, it is what? It is very difficult, but it is not actually difficult, right? So you know that this is sin 16 theta. So you know that sin 2 theta is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. Now see here, sin theta cos theta is there, right? So I will write this as what? So LHS is equal. I will write this 8 as this 16 as 8 into 2 sin theta cos theta cos 2 theta cos 4 theta cos 8 theta, right? So what will be this? This is what? 8 into sin 2 theta now. Sin 2 theta, right? So what? Cos 2 theta cos 4 theta cos 8 theta. Now see, these angles are same. So I will split this 4 as 8 as 4 into 2. I directly write this formula. This is what then? Sin 4 theta now. Angle will be double now. This will what then? Sin 4 theta, and just divide by this half to this what? 4 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta cos 8 theta. Again see, these angles are same. Again we will split this 4 as 2 into 2, and we will write 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta as sin 8 theta. 2 sin 8 theta. Now this is your cos 8 theta, right? Again, this is sine 8 theta, cos 8 theta. 2 is also there. So this is what? Sine of the double of the angle. This is what? 16 theta. Yes. The problem is over. Next, sine 3x. Prove that. Sine 3x upon cos x plus cos 3x upon sin x is equal to 2 cot twice x. 2 cot twice x. Again, this problem is very simple. So what we'll do? We'll take LHS. Take LHS. Now 2 cot twice x means what? Cos twice x upon sin twice x. So see, if you take the addition, your denominator is sin x into cos x. So 2 is not there, we can manage 2. Right? So it will be what then? 2 sin twice x. It may become sin twice x. So your denominator is ready now. You have to take the precaution for the numerator only. Right? Okay, so what we'll do addition now. This is what? Sin 3x. So this is what? Sin 3x sin x plus cos 3x cos x upon cos x. This will write this what? Sin x cos x. Right? Now what is this then? See, both the cos are together and both sines are together. Right? Now angles are also same. Right? The pair, what is 3x? The angle 3x is there. That means this is the formula for cos A minus B. Right? So this is what? Cos of 3x minus x now. Right? Upon sin x cos x. Now we'll adjust the 2 now. So what we'll do? We'll multiply and divide by 2. So we'll write this is what? 2. This will what? Cos twice x upon 2 sin x cos x. Right? So we multiply and divide by 2 because I want here 2. Right? So this is what then? 2 cos twice x upon sin twice x. So this is 2 cot twice x. So we have proved. So the formulas are very important. Right? On both the sides you have to apply the formula from left to right and right to left also. So here we have applied what? Right to left formula. Both the formulas from right to left. We have applied this. Next, show that cos x upon 1 plus sin x is equal to cot x by 2 minus 1 upon cot x by 2 plus 1. Cot x by 2 plus 1. Okay. So half angle is there. Here what? The full angle is there and there half angle is there. So we'll start from LHS. Okay. So we'll start LHS. Okay. So we'll get LHS. So LHS. So we'll apply, this is cos x. Right? We'll apply formula for cos twice x. Right? But twice x is not there. That means we'll take the half of that one angle. So cos twice is what? Cos square x minus sin square x. Right? So cos x will be what then? Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So this will what? Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon. Now how I can write this 1? 1 as what? Cos square x plus sin square x. How we can write this 1? 1 as cos square x. Right? But instead of, so see, all the angles are half. So I will write this sin, see, this is sin twice x. But 2 is not there. So we can apply the formula for sin x. 2 sin x cos x. But sin x will be what then? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So I will write this as what? Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay. Now see, this is what a square plus b square plus twice ab. So this is what a plus b square. I will expand. I will factorize this one. I can factorize this. Your numerator is what? A square minus b square. So I can factorize this. So this is what? Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon, how I can write the denominator? This is what? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket square. Right? Now this is square and this is a upon a square. So one a get cancelled. That means what? Your this square, this get cancelled. Now this is what? Then cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Your angle is half. Sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now see your RHS, you want cot x by 2. So what we do? What we do? You don't want here sin x by 2. So sin x by 2 you don't want. So what we do? We will divide by sin x by 2 to all the terms of the numerator and denominator. So what we will get? What we will get? This is what? Cot x by 2 minus 1 upon cot x by 2 plus 1, and that we want. So this will be your RHS. So this is very simple. We have applied the half angle formula. Next, prove that tan theta by 2 plus cot theta by 2 upon cot theta by 2 minus tan theta by 2 is equal to sec theta. So we'll take LHS, RHS. We'll take LHS. So LHS is equal to. So what we'll do? We'll convert this problem in terms of sin and cos now. Okay. So sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. So we take the addition of the numerator and numerator and addition of the denominator and denominator. Right? Now see, but the denominator, both the denominators are same. That means denominator of the numerator and denominator of the denominator, both are the same, they get cancelled. Right? Only we will write the numerators of the numerator and the numerator of the denominator. So we will write only their numerators only. So this is what? Sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 upon cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Okay. So this will be 1. So this is what? Cos square theta by 2. Cos square theta plus sin square minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. So this will what then? Cos theta. And this is what? Sec theta. This is your RHS. Okay. Now take the next problem. Prove that 1 upon tan 3a minus tan a minus 1 upon cot 3a minus cot a is equal to cot twice a. So we'll take LHS and we'll prove the RHS. Take LHS. Okay. So take LHS. LHS is equal to. We'll convert this problem in terms of sine and cos. So what we'll do? So 1 upon sine 3a cos 3a minus sine a upon cos a minus 1 upon cos 3a upon sine 3a minus cos a upon sine a. Okay. So what we'll do? See, we'll shift this product of the denominator and numerator now, and just we'll take cross multiplication. Your numerator will be what then? Cos a cos 3a upon cos 3a cos sin 3a. This is what? Sin 3a sin 3a cos a minus sin a cos 3a minus here what? Sin 3a sin a upon cos 3a sin a minus cos a cos 3a. Okay. So this is what? Cos a cos 3a upon. Now see, this is what? Sin 3a cos a, alternate sin and cos. Angles are same now. Here what? The angle of sin is the angle of cos. So that is what here the formula for sin a plus b or sin a minus b is applicable. Middle one is minus. Middle one is minus. That means sin a minus b is applicable here. So this will what then? Sin 3a minus a now. Right? Minus sin 3a sin a upon. So this is what here? Sin of a minus 3a. Note that here. A minus 3a. So this will be what? Cos a cos 3a. This become what? Sin twice a. Sin twice a. This is minus sin 3a sin a upon sin of minus twice a. Right? Now this is also a very simple problem actually. Now see here. This is sin of minus twice a. I can write this is minus. This minus make minus become plus. Your denominators are same. We will take the addition of the numerator now. So this will become what? Cos a cos 3a plus, now this become plus sin a sin 3a. You can interchange this, and this is what? Sin twice a. Sin twice a. Now see, both cos are there and sines are there. Angles are see, angle of cos one angle of sin they are the same. That means what? Cos of a minus b or cos a plus b is applicable. Your middle sign is plus, that means it is a minus b is applicable here. So for cos of what? This is 3a minus a upon sin twice a. So this is what? Cos twice a upon sin twice a. So this is what? Cot twice a that we want. This is RHS. Very simple. Okay. So I hope that you understand this. Okay. The next time we'll take the one more problems. So now we'll stop here.